Hey guys, let's discuss about step through the program. Stepping is the process of controlling step-by-step execution of the program. IntelliJ IDEA provides a set of stepping actions which are used depending on your strategy, such as whether you need to go directly to the next line or inspect the intermediate method calls as well. The stepping buttons are located on the debug window toolbar. So if you see here, we have three buttons: step over, step into, and step out. Let's discuss one by one. Step over, step over the current line of code and takes you to the next line even if the highlighted line has a method calls in it. The implementation of the method is skipped and you move straight to the next line of the caller method. Now here we'll see, I'll just do step over. Okay, so it has already reached to the method. So now it will not go to inside this method, it will just skip this implementation of this method and move to the line number 19. So if you see here, it has moved to line number 19. It didn't went through the method calculate range area, so it is just skip that line and went to the next line. So we'll continue same step over, and this is how it will terminate the execution because it reached to the end of the execution. So and provided values in the console. Okay, so now let's discuss about step into. So I need to run the application again. So what I'll do, I have skipped this breakpoint previously, so I do not require this breakpoint. I will just add the breakpoints here in this double method. So whenever I start my execution, it should come here first. Okay, let me rerun the application. See, the application is now started in running mode. Now I want to enter to the method to see what is happening inside that method. So though even though that method doesn't have much logic, it just do the multiplication of length and breadth and return the result inside area variables. If there are like the more options about step into, if there are like several methods called on the line, IntelliJ IDEA asks you which method to enter. This feature is called smart step into. You can configure smart step into to be automatically used every time when there are like multiple method calls on the line. Alternatively, it can be invoked only when you expressly do so. To configure this, you can go to settings and just one second, I will show you setting and build execution, deployment debugger and stepping. And here you can see here always do smart step into, you can just click on it. Okay, this is how you can do into, select this. Smart step into is helpful when there are several method calls on a line and you want to be specific about which methods to enter. This feature allows you to select the method call you are interested in, right? You can configure smart step into to be used instead of regular step into every time there are multiple method calls on the line. So let's see, now I am just doing step into, so it will go to the calculate rectangle area. See now, see, it went here and we have received value. You can hover here to see the values, what are the values we are receiving for this method parameters. So we can see here, see, step into has directly came to calculate rectangle area, and to step over to step out back again, sorry, step out, it will just step out of the current method and takes you to the caller method. Let's do it now. See now, the control went back to the caller method. Step out of the currently executed code block, such as this method, say we can say, or if it is also if condition or for loop, like without existing the enclosing method. In the example, the action exit of this calculate rectangle area. Note that, like, see, the method is executed anyway and it would print all the numbers to the console as if we had stepped through each iteration. So yeah, that's what guys about step over, step into, and step out. I hope you understand it. Thank you.